Imagine building a working calculator application in just few minutes using AI. No long coding sessions, no complex setup, just one prompt and AI generates the code for you. Today I will show you how to build a simple calculator using Google AI Studio powered by Google's AI model Gemini. This is perfect for students learning programming, AI, or even web development. By the end of this video, you will have a working calculator web app generated by AI. Come, let's start.
Hey, welcome back to SAcademy by Sachin. Simple Tech Education.
Go to aistudio.google.com and click on Get Started. Now, log in with your Google account. Now, we are in the homepage of Google AI Studio. Here, you see the two main sections that are Playground and Build. They are designed for different purposes when working with Gemini AI model. Now, we will see the difference between Playground versus Build. The Playground is like a practice lab. Here you can test the prompts, see how AI responds, experiment with different instructions, adjust parameters like temperature and tokens. On the right side, you can see the models. Here, by default, it is selected as Gemini 3 Flash model. If you are using any paid versions, you can select n number of options, but by default, Gemini Flash will be selected as we are using the free tier. Now, we will see what is temperature settings and tokens. Here, the temperature will be set default to 1. We can decrease it or increase it to 2. High number is 2. Now, what is this temperature is used for? This temperature controls response creativity by adjusting tokens randomness. Lower the temperature, the precise answer. The higher the token is higher the creativity. That means if you set it to 0, low number of tokens are utilized by the model. And if you set it to high, higher number of tokens will be utilized. Now coming to what are tokens? Tokens are units of text, that is words or subwords the model processes or generates. Now coming to the build section. The build section is used when you want to turn your ideas into real AI applications. Here you can generate API keys, get JavaScript or Python code. Now, if you see on my left side here, these are the actual real applications which I have built by using Gemini AI models, and these models utilize API keys to call the services of these AI models. After logging in, you'll find many options. Now, we'll go with creating a website by entering the prompt. In the prompt section, here we have to type the prompt. I'll just type the prompt, create a simple calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The requirement will be input field for numbers and also add button for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and show the result instantly. The UI should be very clean and simple, and it has to build all these 3 files into one file, that is index.html. Now I will click on just run. So it has built it, and also you can download the code also. I got the code here. Just I will double click and see. Now the file has opened locally in our browser. Just we will see it. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. Now you can also make any changes to this code. Now I have told it to add some simple changes, that is to add the header simple calculator. Now I'll click on again run. Again it starts modifying the code. See, it is telling I have updated the code. So now this will be your new code. Now I have downloaded the updated code. Now if you see here, this is the previous code, the code which I have generated earlier without any header. Now you can see we don't have any header, but in the updated version you can see here it is displaying simple calculator. Now by typing any changes in the prompt bar, you can make the changes in the code. Now I'll be adding another prompt, add footer to it at the rate 2026. Now it will add at the rate 2026 at the footer. Now I'll again click on run. Now it has updated the code, that is it has generated whole new code. Now if you want to make any changes, you can click on this edit option, or you can download the whole code as a .html file, or else another option is the third one, you can copy the whole code by clicking on this. The whole code is being copied to the clipboard. Now you can open any of your favorite IDE, that is here I will be using VS Code editor. Now you can just paste the whole code here, and you can save the file as index.html, or you can give any name .html. Now what I will do, I will again click on download button. Here is the third file which I have been downloading. Now you can see it has added the header at the rate 26. So without writing a single line of code, you can create a beautiful web applications. You can also upload the files to the GitHub or any of the free hosting sites, as I have discussed in my earlier videos. Now in the next part, we will build other application which will be using some AI services of Google, and we will integrate it by using the API case. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please subscribe and like it.